Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will talk about meet in the middle method. For the definition, meet in the middle method is a classical technique of cryptanalysis which applies to many constructions. The idea is that the attacker constructs patterns that propagate from both ends to the middle of the cipher, in some cases by partial k-guessing. A meet in the middle attack targets block cipher cryptographic functions. The intruder applies brute force technique to both the plaintext, which is ordinary text before it is encrypted, and the ciphertext, or encrypted text that has been transformed from the plaintext of a block cipher. For the process, as we see at the picture, a cipher which is to be broken using meet-in-the-middle attack can be defined as two algorithms, one for encryption and one for decryption. Each one of them contains two simple algorithms like this as we see, where C is a ciphertext, P is a plaintext, E is an algorithm for encryption, D is an algorithm for decryption, K, K base A and K base B are two secret keys. The first step of the attack is to create a table with all possible value for one side of the equation. One should calculate all possible ciphertext of the non-plaintext P created using the first secret key. So EA KAP, a number of rows in the table is equal to a number of possible secret keys. Is it a good idea to sort the received table based on the received ciphertext EA KAP in order to simplify its further searching? The second step of the attack is to calculate values of DB, which means KBC, for the second side of the equation. One should compare them with the value of the first side of the equation computes earlier and stored in the table. The intruder search a pair of secret keys KA and KB for which the value EA KAP found in the table and the just calculates value DB KBC are the same. For the software tool, uh, I suggest to use Docker. Docker is an application that allows deploying programs inside sandbox packages called containers. It provides far more efficiency than that commonly used virtual machines. It also allows a user to create a sandbox container that contains the application with all the required dependencies. Due to portability, efficiency, and flexibility of sandboxes, they are a great way for deploying and testing security solutions. For the example, double DES, for example, uses two encryption keys to transform its plaintext inputs into ciphertext outputs. This method of encryption uses its two unique key to perform two encryption stages. The goal of a meet-in-the-middle attack in this case is to use the intermediate values between the encryption stages to solve for all used encryption keys, which for a double dash is two. That's all for me. Thank you.